What's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a real quick video for you guys. It's on the old Craftsman lawnmower that I've been working on, the one I just got running. So now that we got it running, that's the engine size. It's got the 19.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. This had a little bit of a fuel issue. Apparently we got something in the tank. So what I did was ran in, I got new plugs for it, Champion plugs. I got a fuel filter for it. Then I'm going to do an oil change on it. We got 30 weight. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that real quick. And let's get it going. Okay guys, first thing first is I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this fuel filter. Got my gloves on because they stink. I'm hoping that the fuel filter I got here is the same size. This is the only one the store had, so, and they're not cheap anymore. They're kind of pricey little boogers, so I'll fit this up in here. Just want to make sure our flow's going the right way, so the flow's going that way, so we'll run it just like that. So go ahead and pop these bands off and see what size we're dealing with here. I hope it's the right size. Now the messy part. Of course she's gonna struggle. Let me go get a screwdriver real quick. Guys, got that all put back together, so now all I gotta do is put a couple quarts of oil in here, keep checking it. I think it should be a quart and a half to 2, so I'm gonna run a couple in it. I'm gonna go grab a funnel. Okay, only thing left to do is fire it up and see if it works. Should run a little better. I still got that crap gas in it though, but let's see what it does. Alright guys, so as you can see, she fired up nice, runs good. I let it run for a little bit longer and it actually purred like a kitten after that. I think as soon as I get that old gas out of the damn thing, she's really gonna run good. So anyway, short video. Just wanted to see if she'd run any different with the oil change and tune up, and yeah, it did. Not too bad. Share it with you guys. Hopefully you guys can use it. Maybe do that same thing to your lawnmower if you need to. But anyway, I'll catch you on the next one.